I wanted to hop on just for a second. It's been a minute and go through a few things. I won a contest over on Ginger Ninja's channel, and I won a knife. It is a tactical razor knife. And then she also sent me, let's see, this cute little clip thing. And with that also came a Christmas card. It says tidings of comfort and joy. Super cute. From our family to yours, wishing you a Merry Christmas and best wishes for the new year. Peace and love, Ginger Ninja and family. And she put 3 scriptures in there. I'm going to be showing some Christmas cards as I get them throughout this month. Also won a contest over on Wobble Family Adventures channel, which I won a hoodie that says Wobble Family Adventures on the back. And I also got my stickers in the mail, which will be going out in some Christmas cards here shortly. But anyway, Gail over at Gail Southern Living, and I believe it's Blackberry Rock Homestead, started a collaboration on some Christmas cookies. So I believe Gail called out Journey along with Shannon for it, and in turn Shannon called me out. So today we're gonna hop in the kitchen, stir up some cookies, and I'm about to call 3 of you out. So I'm calling out Alicia at Country Mama Musings, Angie over at Abundant Acres Farm, or Abundant Acres Homestead. Excuse me, Angie. I'm sorry. My mind is slipping today. And let's see who else. Let's do, trying to think, Mott's Family Homestead. All right, you've been called out to whip up some cookies for Christmas. When you do this collaboration, make sure you tag and mention Gail Southern Living and Blackberry Rock Homestead. They're going to put together a playlist, and it'll go in that playlist. So you guys whip up some cookies, show us what you got, and we'll watch and see just what you put out there. But anyway, we're fixing to hop in the kitchen, and we're going to stir up just the old faithful, some chocolate chip cookies. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to get started with the cookies. I've got 2 cups of AP flour. I'm going to add about, well, I'm actually going to add it all in here for right now. I've got a teaspoon of cornstarch, teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, I put 2 sticks of margarine in there. I'm going to take it over and whip it up. Be right back. Okay, here's the butter. The next step is 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. 2/3 cup of brown sugar. This has got to be creamed until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, I've got 1 large egg, 1 large egg yolk, and next is my Watkins vanilla. If y'all haven't been able to tell through some of my past recipes, Watkins is my favorite brand of vanilla. 2 teaspoons. And back to the mixer once again. I'm going to come to my flour mixture. I'm only going to add like half of it. Now I'm going to take this over to the mixer and mix it until it's almost all incorporated. Almost all incorporated. I'm going to come back, add the last half of my flour, and go back and just partially incorporate this. I'm back with that. Next, I'm going to come in and add a 10-ounce bag. I'm using the mini semi-sweet of chocolate chips. So then I want to go make sure all the flour is incorporated, but you want to be careful with this recipe that you do not over mix. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Look at this beautiful chocolate chip cookie dough. It looks amazing, if I do say so myself. Now we're about to get these on a pan. Now I've got my oven going at 350. The recipe calls for 375. But as fast as my oven cooks and as hot as it cooks, that's a no-no. So we ain't even going there today. Okay, I've got my pan sprayed down. So I'm about to start dipping off some cookies. I like to give my cookies plenty of room on the pan. I'm not a fan of having to break them apart after they've touched. There's nothing wrong with it, but to me they're just not as pretty. Which mine probably won't turn out very pretty anyway, because I'm not using a cookie scoop today. That's alright. No big deal. Alright. These babies are going to the oven. Dishwasher's already running, so I'm not waiting on it. I am cleaning up this mess while I'm waiting on the cookies to get done. Alright, here we are. Slightly golden around the edge. Doughy center. Let's get them on the rack. Alright, let's check and see what's in the center of one of these cookies. Look at that. Soft, full of chocolate chips. Can't beat that. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, And we'll catch you next time on Southern Roots.